Hi folks, today I want to walk you through how to use Remind with your students. First, you're going to log in using Google. Then once you've logged in, you're going to access classes that you've already created. If you haven't already created a class, you can go to this Create a Class button. Here you can give your class a title, you can add a test code, you can customize that code if you'd like, and then press Create. From here, you're going to go up to this People tab and select Add People. Here you can manually enter your students' names as well as their email, but the easiest way is going to be to get a shareable link and post this in Google Classroom. So I'm going to press Get a Shareable Link. I'm going to copy that link, and then I'm going to open up my Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, I might choose to go to the stream and add an announcement and say, Join Remind. Then I'll add that link. And once I add and post that link, students will be able to access Remind via this link. So they'll be able to sign up on their own. Using Remind is a great way to get students quick messages efficiently. Oftentimes, messages go straight to the student's cell phone, so it acts as like a texting service. So sign your students up and check out this tool today.